Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama's Kitchen. My name is Shawn. She is my mom, as you guys all know. And today we're gonna be making a recipe that is called cheese and corn balls. I love cheese, and it was her idea that we should, mix something like cheese and corn, and we should make something like, interesting, spicy is her taste. I love spicy too, so we are going to be making cheese and corn balls. I hope you love it. So let's move on to the video. Okay guys, so for this recipe these are the ingredients we're gonna be mixing. We have 1 cup of corn and we have 1 cup of cheese, and that is cheddar cheese. We have crushed it already, as you can see. And then we have some coriander leaves, some mint leaves, half tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of red chili crushed, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds that are also crushed, look at that, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and we have some breadcrumbs, and we have some boiled potatoes. We have boiled them already, so we will not waste your time. So as you can see, I have 4 boiled potatoes. I don't have the other thing to crush them down, so I'm using this fork. These are already boiled potatoes, so they are easy to crush. Okay, we have crushed the potatoes. As you can see, it is very easy to crush it with fork. You don't need any crusher device or anything. So now we're gonna be adding some corn. Okay, as you guys can see, I have mixed all the ingredients. And this is our mixture. It's ready. We're going to be mixing it a little bit. I love it how colorful the recipe looks. As you can see, our mixture is ready. I have mixed all the ingredients in it. Yeah, it is properly crushed and properly mixed. Every ingredient is mixed. I love it the way it looks so colorful. Now we have to add our crushed cheese. This is the remaining cheese, all cheesy. Okay, mixed all the cheese with the mixture. Our mixture is ready. As you know that we're gonna be frying this, so we need to add a little bit of corn flour. That is 2 tablespoons. I think I have to use my hands. We are using the corn flour because we don't want that in the frying pan. The mixer will get disturbed or mix with the oil. Okay, now as you can see, we have mixed all-purpose flour, 2 cup, and the water, so we can make our balls and dip in it, so we can fry it. Okay, now we're gonna be taking the mixture. See here, we have to make the balls from the mixture. As you can see, I'm like medium ball. Now I have these cut with some cheese cubes. So I will put one in this. And I will make it this one. You can see I have covered the cheese. Now I will dip it in this mixture. After that, I have some breadcrumbs here. Okay guys, so as you can see, our cheese and corn balls are ready. As you can see, they are the perfect shape and it looks delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and test one as I always do in my videos. Wow. So thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our videos and keep watching for more. Thank you. Have a great day.